In the world of military technology, the race to build the most advanced and powerful weapons and vehicles is never-ending. From drones to tanks to aircraft carriers, the capabilities of military vehicles are constantly being pushed to the next level. But which vehicles stand out as the most advanced and sophisticated in the world today? We'll explore some of the most cutting-edge military vehicles that are currently in use or in development. Zumwalt. If you're a fan of military technology, you'll definitely want to check out the Zumwalt class destroyer. This next-generation warship is designed to be stealthy, versatile, and packed with advanced capabilities. The Zumwalt is the largest and most technologically advanced surface combatant in the United States Navy. It measures over 600 feet long and has a sleek, angular design that minimizes its radar signature. The Zumwalt is armed with a variety of weapons, including a 155mm advanced gun system that can fire precision-guided shells over 60 miles, and 80 vertical launch cells that can hold missiles, torpedoes, and other ordnance. It also has a close-in defense system that can protect against incoming missiles and aircraft. The Zumwalt's equipped with a number of sensors and systems that give it a formidable situational awareness. It has an advanced radar that can detect and track multiple targets at long range, as well as a sonar system that can detect and classify underwater threats. It also has a cyber warfare suite that can defend against and exploit enemy networks. The Zumwalt is designed to be a multi-mission platform, with capabilities that include land attack, naval gunfire support, anti-aircraft, anti-submarine, and mine countermeasures. It can operate independently or as part of a task force, and it can support a range of aircraft, drones, and boats. The Zumwalt is a cutting-edge warship that represents the future of naval warfare. However, it has faced some challenges during the development and procurement, including cost overruns and technical problems. Despite these issues, the Navy is committed to fielding a fleet of these vessels that will be a key part of its power projection and deterrence posture. The Zumwalt is a high-tech warship that brings together a wide range of capabilities and systems in a single platform. Its stealthy design and advanced capabilities make it a formidable asset on the seas, as well as a symbol of American naval power. F35 Lightning II. The F35 Lightning II is a marvel of modern aviation technology and is widely considered to be one of the most advanced military aircraft in the world. With its cutting-edge stealth capabilities, superior firepower, and advanced sensors, the F-35 is designed to dominate the skies in any scenario. One of the key features of the F-35 is its stealth technology, which allows it to evade detection by radar systems. This makes it incredibly difficult for enemy forces to detect and track the aircraft, giving it a significant advantage in combat situations. In addition to its stealth capabilities, the F-35 is also equipped with a range of advanced sensors that allow it to gather and process vast amounts of data about its surroundings. This includes everything from weather conditions to the location and movements of enemy forces, and helps the aircraft make quick and informed decisions in the heat of battle. Of course, all of this technology would be for naught if the F-35 didn't have the firepower to back it up. Fortunately, this aircraft is armed to the teeth, with a range of missiles, bombs, and other ordnance that allow it to take out a wide variety of targets. Overall, the F-35 Lightning is a formidable weapon that is more than capable of holding its own in any conflict. With its advanced stealth, sensors, and firepower, it's sure to be a key player in the world's military operations for years to come. The M1A2 SEP V3 Abrams Tank. The M1A2 SEP V3 Abrams Tank is a true behemoth of the battlefield. This heavily armored military vehicle is designed to provide protection and firepower to troops on the front lines, and it does so with ease. One of the key features of the M1A2 is its advanced armor, which is made up of a combination of materials that are designed to withstand a wide range of threats. This includes traditional bullets and shells, as well as more modern threats like rockets and missiles. But the M1A2 is more than just a big, tough tank. It's also equipped with a range of advanced sensors and electronics that allow it to gather and process data about its surroundings. This helps the tank's crew to make informed decisions on the battlefield and allows them to react quickly to changing situations. And when it comes to firepower, the M1A2 has it in spades. The main gun's capable of firing a variety of different rounds, including armor-piercing shells that can take out other tanks with ease. The M1A2 is also equipped with a range of smaller weapons, including machine guns and anti-aircraft missiles. In short, the M1A2 tank is a formidable machine that is more than capable of holding its own on the battlefield. Whether it's providing protection for troops or taking the fight to the enemy, the M1A2 is a force to be reckoned with. MQ9 Reaper Drone. Have you ever heard of the MQ9 Reaper Drone? This advanced unmanned aerial vehicle is used by the United States military for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. But it's not just any ordinary drone. It's a powerful tool in the military's arsenal. The MQ9 Reaper is a beast of a drone, with a wingspan of 66 feet and a single turboprop engine that allows it to fly at high altitudes for extended periods of time. It's not hard to see why it's sometimes referred to as the Predator B. The MQ9 Reaper is equipped with an array of sensors, including radar, cameras, and infrared cameras that allow it to detect and track targets from a distance. It can also be armed with missiles, bombs, and other weapons for offensive operations. The MQ9 Reaper is operated by a pilot and a sensor operator who control the drone remotely from a ground control station. With a satellite link, the MQ9 Reaper can transmit real-time video and other data back to the ground control station, giving military personnel a bird's-eye view of the situation on the ground. The MQ9 Reaper has been used in a number of countries, including Afghanistan, Iraq, and Syria, for a variety of missions such as surveillance, intelligence gathering, and targeted strikes against enemy targets. While the MQ9 Reaper has been controversial due to its use in targeted killings and potential for causing civilian casualties, the United States military maintains that it's a valuable tool for conducting operations in areas that are too dangerous for manned aircraft. Whether you love it or hate it, the MQ9 Reaper is an impressive piece of technology that has played a significant role in military operations around the world. Its capabilities are sure to continue evolving in the future, making it a formidable force to be reckoned with. The Arleigh Burke class destroyer. The Arleigh Burke class destroyer is a formidable vessel that's used by the United States Navy to protect American interests around the world. With its advanced weaponry and state-of-the-art sensors, the Arleigh Burke class is more than capable of taking on any threat it may encounter. One of the key features of the Arleigh Burke class destroyer is its advanced radar system, which is capable of detecting incoming threats from miles away. This allows the ship to respond quickly to any potential threats, whether they be aircraft, ships, or missiles. The Arleigh Burke class destroyer is also equipped with a range of advanced weapons, including missiles and torpedoes. These weapons allow the ship to engage targets at long range and provide a powerful punch to any enemy that may dare to challenge it. But the Arleigh Burke class destroyer is more than just a floating weapons platform. It's also equipped with a range of advanced sensors and electronics that allow it to gather and process data about its surroundings. This helps the ship's crew to make informed decisions on the battlefield and allows them to react quickly to changing situations. In short, the Arleigh Burke class destroyer is a powerful and capable vessel that is more than capable of protecting Americans' interests around the world. Whether it's patrolling the seas or engaging in combat, the Arleigh Burke class is a force to be reckoned with. These vehicles are truly impressive feats of engineering and technology. They're symbols of strength, determination, and the never-ending pursuit of innovation and progress. So the next time you see one of these advanced military vehicles in action, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology and skill that went into creating such remarkable machines.